Are you looking for a spacious 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home in Rowland Heights with amazing views and a beautiful private backyard? Then this is the home for you.
This home is located in the award-winning Rowland School District, and it's so centrally located, you're going to just absolutely love that. And the views of the mountains, amazing. There's a huge backyard, cathedral ceilings, plantation shutters, a fully remodeled kitchen with custom cabinetry, granite counters, and amazingly enough, a brand new roof on this whole house. So let's take a closer look. Well, you've seen this huge backyard. This is almost 14,000 square feet on this lot. So you know you've got plenty of room to put in a custom pool and spa for these hot summer days. And best of all, an aluminum patio cover means no maintenance. Everything is beautifully landscaped, so you can move right in.
And another amazing feature about this home is the massive amount of RV parking here and a pull-through garage.
So come and discover the beauty of Rowland Heights living. With award-winning schools, access to all of the amenities nearby, you'll find everything you've been looking for.
And don't miss out on your forever home. Give us a call today for your private tour.